Today I'm going to show you how to run multiple Z-Wave networks and manage them from a single Home Assistant instance. This is something you may want to set up if you have a building that's too far away to reach via Z-Wave radio waves. To make this possible, we need to install a machine at our remote location, then connect it to our main location. The easiest method to do this is via Ethernet. Once this is done, we will need to install a copy of the Z-Wave JS UI software on our remote machine. In my setup, I use the standalone version of Z-Wave JS UI because of how easy it is to install and manage. To install the software, you simply download the zip file from the GitHub page. Then extract the files and double-click on the executable to run the program. Once the program starts running, you will see the IP port displayed. The default port listed is 0.0.0.0, which means you can access the settings from any IP address configured on your computer. Now that I have the IP and port number, I'm going to type this into the web browser to get started. Once you connect to the UI, go to Settings, Z-Wave, and then enter the COM port of your controller. Then click the button next to the security keys to generate a new set of security keys. Under the Home Assistant section, enable the WebSocket server option. Once you complete all three of these tasks, click Save. Now if we go back to the control panel, we should see our controller listed. The rest of the setup will need to be completed in Home Assistant. To connect our new Z-Wave installation to Home Assistant, go to Settings, Devices and Surfaces, then click the Add Integration button. Search for Z-Wave, then click the Z-Wave option, then uncheck the box that says Use the Z-Wave JS Supervisor add-on. Then replace the default text with the IP address and port number you configured earlier and click Submit. If this is successful, you should see a list of devices. Now if we click the Devices button, you can see all devices from every Z-Wave network. When you install the Z-Wave JS UI add-on, you have the option to display the web UI in the sidebar. Although not natively installed, we can also display the UI for our other Z-Wave JS servers by adding the config file. Simply type in the following information, then click Save. Then go to the Developer Tools, click Check Config, and then click Restart. Once Home Assistant restarts, you should see the panel you can create on the left. And that's it, you have successfully set up multiple Z-Wave networks and managed them from a single Home Assistant installation.